I'm going to start by adding in turmeric and ginger. So we're blending our turmeric and ginger that we have sliced up with 3 cups of water, approximately 3 cups of water. Now we're straining it to remove the rough edge because we don't want to include that part in our smoothie. So when you blend out the turmeric and the ginger, don't throw away the rough edge part, because when you use it in tea, it makes the tea extra strong, extra flavorful. So you get an extra burst of flavor from your turmeric and your ginger. So store it and use it later on. So now we're gonna add the turmeric and ginger juice back into our blender. Then we're adding in about a 1/4 cup of Irish moss or sea moss to the blender. Also adding in some spices. I added some cinnamon powder here. I'm wondering if nutmeg could be used. It would give it another dimension of flavor. I didn't use it here because I think it would alter the taste somewhat. So all I used was some cinnamon powder as spice. So now I'm adding some ice because the ice will make the beverage more of a smoothie-like consistency. So for the sweetener in this, I'm using agave syrup, but you can use whatever sweetener you would prefer to have in yours. Now that it is complete, pour and serve just as it is, nice and chill. And just look how vibrant and powerful that is. You can also store some of this, just store some of this away in your fridge, and you can use it in some other juice or smoothie. I'm imagining that it would pair well with pineapple juice, mangoes, papaya, spinach, cucumber, any juice and smoothie idea that you might have. This would pair well with it. The combination of the turmeric flavor and the cinnamon powder that I added in it goes well together. Give this one a try and let me know what you think. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoy this one and share it with your family and your friends. Remember to like, share and subscribe to Untitled Kitchen's channel for more recipes and delights. Remember, always eat well, walk good. Blessed love to you.